Hi everybody, my name is Alfred Musaim. I'm a math teacher. Welcome to today's tutorial. Our topic will be how students can use the Google form to have an exam. First of all, you need to go on Google. You need to enter your email. Then you need to enter your password and log in. And the exam must be previously sent by your teacher. As you see here, I have sent it to myself and I open it. And you can do in two forms. You can click on here to open directly the Google form, or you can directly type the name and surname here directly on the email. Then you just you type the name, the class, then you type continue. You go to another page, you say okay. Then here you have the exam. The red star means the question that requires an answer. In each section you'll have a little explanation about what the section contains. Here we have 5 questions, 2 points each. There are true false questions. You write the answer, false for example for the first and true for the second. Then you go to next. In the second section you have fill in the blanks. There are 5 questions, for example, and 2 points each again. You write here the answer, you read the definition, then you write the possible answer about this question. I have given just 2 examples here for a fill in the blank question. Then you read again the second question for this part and you write your possible answer again. The answers can be words or numbers or simple equation that can be written easily. In the other section, you have a multiple choice question. In this section, you'll have 10 of them and 5 points each. You just need to, this is a required question, you need to push the right one, the next. Then you have a classic question, 2 classic questions. You need to solve this question, then to write the possible answer in your answer form there. After you solve it, because you can't just say an answer, because you need to solve it and you need to find an equation, or you need to find a point or a number. It depends on the kind of question. You can go back also to check again the questions. After you have finished all of this, you just push submit and you are done with the exam. There can be an option view score or not, depends on the teacher. Maybe it can show you the answers directly. You can see yourself how much you got, what you have done wrong. Then approximately you can find the points that you can have in this exam and the mark that you can get. Thank you for listening.